This is a video showing the insulated doghouse. I hand built them myself. Casey's displaying it.
The hinged roof.
And they're all
Light feature.
insulated and trimmed out on the inside. And they have a light wired in for heat, but if you can see it, everything's insulated. The ceiling, the walls, even the floor. And I put this covering on the door to keep the cold air out. The doggy can get in and out. This stuff's replaceable as it wears out. You can put more on. Go around to the back side. As you can see, it's got real shingles on it. Everything's hand cut. There's the cord coming out of the side for plugging in. And they sit off the ground too, underneath. See if we can see it here. Yeah, I put pressure treated legs underneath it so it sits off the ground. Makes a pretty nice little dog house. This particular size here is about 40 inches long, 40 inches deep, however you want to look at it. And it's about 30 inches from the peak here down to the ground. And about 28 inches wide, I believe. Yeah, it's not quite that wide. Probably 22, 24 inches wide. Anyways, it's full of features. It's fully insulated. The siding could be painted. What I do on most of them, though, I just put some wood treatment on them. And most of them generally have the cedar trim around the edges. And the shingles, I overlap them, for water runoff. And generally put some gutter apron on the edge. There's a little bit better look inside. This particular one's trimmed out in oak. And if you notice that flashing, that's just somebody taking pictures of the doghouse. Casey.
That would be me.
Anyways, this particular one here is sold. I'm just waiting on a lady to come by our shop and pick it up. So anyway, this is the, this particular model, I've called it the keyhole, but I've got some other designs too. This one's pretty practical. Sells for about $225. And it depends on some of the options. Like if you want the hinged roof, like this one has, I charge a little extra for that. Usually $15, $20. So, and the light is actually an option too. There's some places where I suppose it doesn't get quite cold enough where you'd need a light. That's about a $15 option. So anyway, that's the hand-built, custom-made doghouse. Thanks.